Hey everyone, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a first impressions and review on some of the products from the new Makeup by Mario line. So if that interests you, then just keep on watching. Hello, welcome back to your girl's channel. Literally Makeup by Mario. Funny. You guys have been following me for a while. You know I'm totally obsessed with him. He's such an icon in the industry. When I found out he was coming out with his own brand, I was so excited and I knew I had to get my hands on these things. So I picked up not all of the collection, but just some of the pieces that really spoke to me. I already have my base done, so I figured we could just get right into it. So first I'm going to show you guys just some product shots. I have the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful, gorgeous, just everything I want and then some when it comes to mattes and neutrals. It retails for $48 and the packaging is super sleek and it just feels like well made. It's pretty like hardcore heavy duty, and then the names are all just like matte 1, matte 2, matte 3, matte 4. It's this brand I'm finding, of course, is made for like the true artist. I'm not to say that like everybody can't be a part of it, but it's definitely you can just tell it really reflects like his experience as a makeup artist in the industry, you know. Next up, I have the Master Crystal Guys, what was that? Next, I have the Master Crystal Reflector in Bronzite, and this says it's like a highlighter, but the way that he showed that he used it is all over the eyes. And here is what it looks like. You can see I already dug into it, and I'll show you some swatches as well. This product, you guys, is so beautiful. I was too excited. I really couldn't help myself. I'm so excited to use this. Next, I have the Master Secret Glow highlighter in the shade Expensive. This is a little clear balm. What is happening, little kitties? An up close of this as well. You guys will see I have dug into this. This is the only product that I have used so far on myself, and that is because a few days ago I attended the Patrick Ta masterclass online, and the look that we were creating required something like this, and this is the only product I have as far as like face balms and like just like glow balms go. So I have used this already. This is the only thing that I have actually used. This retails for $22. Master Pigment Pro pencil in the Perfect Brown, and I'll swatch this for you guys as well. Here is the actual pencil itself. It's really beautiful, gorgeous, creamy. You'll see in the swatches. There's also this little brush end that is super convenient. I'm excited to try this out. Retails for $22 US. I also picked up the Master Mattes Brightening pencil in light 1, kind of peachy nude, and I also haven't used this. I will swatch it for you guys too. But here is what the pencil looks like. That retails for $20 US. Lastly, I did get the Master Mattes liquid liner in Super Black. The liquid liner has a gorgeous felt tip applicator. It retails for $22 US also. I'm gonna start out with this e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blender Brush. It's real big. I'm gonna mix these two shades here. We're just gonna start to put some dimension back in the eyes here. I was a little surprised. I thought, I don't know, you know how things sometimes just look bigger like on camera, maybe? Some of the things I thought they would be a little bit bigger, especially for the price point, but these are kind of lighter than I expected. I don't know if it's like the brush I'm using, but I do think you definitely have to like build up the shadows. Pick up this shade right here, and I'm gonna kind of just put this all over our lid. Since I only got a few of the products, I'm really gonna try to use like all of them for this eye makeup today. Loved the expensive highlighter, like the balm. I will flash a picture up here somewhere of when I used that. I thought it was so pretty. This is the look I created with the Patrick Ta masterclass, and I actually filmed a video recreating that look as well, so you kind of see how I use it in that. if you're interested. It has a lot of uses, you know. Still kind of shook about that class, you guys. That was so amazing. I'm like so honored that I was able to be a part of it. Just kind of dusting this all over the lid and then pulling it out to the tail of my brow. I've been drinking coffee. I've been eating healthy. How many of you guys have constantly been streaming Ariana Grande's new album? Comment below. Your girl can't stop listening to it. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna pick up this color here right underneath the one we just used. I'm going to dust this on the outer half of the eye. Ooh. There's some pigment. There we go. Artie also came out with his like a holiday drop, like his second collection. I think it has like some eyeshadow quads and I know there was a lip gloss. I feel like there's something else. If you know what I'm missing, comment below and let me know. I'm also kind of pulling this into the crease. Any extra? So excited. I'm filming today and I have some like online classes and seminars I'm taking, but I really actually want to decorate for Christmas, you guys. I feel like this year we just all need a little extra Christmas moment, you know? We're gonna dip into the shade right here. I'm gonna just really concentrate in this outer V like corner space to just add a little more depth. Actually, I'm gonna dip again and we're gonna kind of deepen out this inner portion of the crease as well. So far, I feel like these shadows are going on really nicely. They're definitely very buildable, I will say. I think the darker shades for sure seem to have a little bit more pigmentation right off the bat. Mario, you know, is a professional celebrity makeup artist, so he obviously has like the way he likes things. I wonder if he prefers shadows that are, you know, more buildable in a sense, where it's like you don't get too much when you first pick it up. But like I said, I am able to build it and kind of get it to where I want everything. I remember now what I'm forgetting. I was forgetting he created the Pro Lip palette, so it's like a mixer palette, which looks really cool too. Definitely more for like professional makeup artists. Take this shade here in the corner that we did all over our lid space and just kind of dust over everything one more time. Now I'm going to take this smaller packing brush and I'm going to take one underneath of that we put on our outer corner as well. I am going to press this onto my lower lash line. Actually going to pick up some of the lightest nude. I'm going to do my inner corner, but like only on the top of my eyelid, if that makes sense. Like I'm not gonna take it down in here. I'm gonna go into the Master Crystal Reflector in Bronzite. I feel like the way, I'm gonna use my finger by the way, the way I saw him, you know, using this is as I'm showing you right now, like in the demos. Oh my god, you guys, come on, get into this. It's so gorgeous. I saw a lot of people like in the reviews on Sephora being like, ew, like this is the grossest highlighter ever, and it's not. I would not put this on my face personally unless I was doing like a very specific look that this kind of fit into, but I feel like he definitely showed it used on the eyes, so I was just a little confused. Oh wow, wow, wow. Okay, totally love this. You guys, I don't have anything like this either. This is so pretty. He was saying like if you kind of press your finger down, you're gonna get more like opacity out of it, and if you kind of tap, it's gonna be more like subtle. My camera, I had to recharge the battery pack, so I went ahead and did kind of like the liner situation, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did on this eye here. First, I took the Pro Pencil in the Perfect Brown. Oops, this is the brush. I'm going to just line pretty close to my lash line here. And I try to keep it as close as possible. Love the like intensity of this liner, and it's such a pretty like dark brown shade. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna make it a little thicker out here kind of like that. Take the brush and we're just gonna smudge with this. I actually learned this technique from him when I went to his masterclass in Chicago, like last year it was. I'm gonna kind of drag it out. I will say I don't feel like this brush gives you a ton of like precision and like control in that way, so if that's what you're looking for, you may want to pick up a different brush. I'm gonna take the liquid liner and draw a line, a wing, kind of below. Take this little teeny tiny smudge brush here and I'm gonna dip into the black shade. I'm going to pat and smudge like right in the center, kind of where the half liner stops. I'm also going to smudge like over top of the liquid liner. I'm so excited because I had to get a new liquid liner anyway, and I really like how long and like precise the applicator is on this. I'm gonna then take the nude liner and we're gonna do our waterline. I love a nude liner on the waterline. It honestly opens up the eyes so much, you guys. And this one, as you see, is applying really easily. It just grabs right on. Like sometimes there are pencils that you have to really rub, which like obviously hurts because it's inside your eye. This is doing it for me. I'm gonna apply mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. These are Lilly Lashes, the synthetic ones in the style Chicago. And I also put a nude lip on, Morphe liner in Sweet Tea, and then the KKW nude lipstick in Nude 2. Let's take our Master Secret Glow highlighter in Expensive. And I've already dug my finger into this. This is my personal one, so we're just gonna do that again. I'm gonna kind of tap on the back of my hand. We're going to see how this applies. Also, I've seen him put it on the lips, so we are gonna just do some here in the center. It doesn't feel like super sticky on the face or anything. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Here is the final look from today that we created. What do you guys think? Drop a comment and let me know which of the products that I picked up appeal the most to you. Is there anything that really speaks to you? For me personally, I'm pretty obsessed with the Master Crystal Reflector here in Bronzite. This is what I have, again, all over the lid, and I think it's just such a really truly beautiful and like easy product to use. I would love to try out the other colors that it comes in. I also really love the Master Secret Glow highlighter in Expensive, so that is the balm that I have on my skin here. Just looking at my face, like in the mirror, I look very luminous and fresh, and there are a lot of different uses. Remember, I did put this on my lips in a separate video that I created another makeup look with. I put this all over my lid, so there's really kind of endless possibilities that you can do with this. The pencils and the liquid liner I do really love. I definitely think the brush on this is convenient. This liner, like, it's, when I was swatching it on my hand, it's actually still kind of on there. It's the brown liner is like really hard to get off. So that just tells me, you know, that has the staying power, long wear power. I really did like just how easily all the pencils applied. The liquid liner I thought went on very easily as well, and they just feel like really quality, like well thought out products. I did want to note as well that the pencils come with little custom sharpeners. Let's see, it says by Mario on it. I have the black one and then the white one as well, which I used for a lip pencil. And they work really well, so I thought that's a cool little bonus you kind of get with that. For the eyeshadow palette, it's interesting, it only opens, like this is as far as it opens, just so you know. At first I thought I was crazy. I just love all of these neutrals. I think they look beautiful on my eyes. I am curious to play with it more and just kind of see. Hi, honey. Birkin, do you want to say hi? You want to say hi to the camera? Birkin's here for her regular appearance on the channel. You like your mommy's makeup? What do you think? So cute. I'll be curious to kind of play with the eyeshadow a little bit more and just see like how they work. You know, kind of sometimes the deeper you get into like the pan of the eyeshadow, the easier it is to apply. I didn't think it was hard to apply. I definitely felt like I did have to like build up certain shadows more than others. So I don't know, I'll just have to play with it more to give you my like true thoughts. But as of right now, I'm still really happy with the purchase that I made. For me, I'm such an everyday, like beautiful, just wearable makeup type of person. I like to just feel really pretty and feminine, and I've never been like that great at playing with like super like harsh like colors, cut crease, like things like that. It's just not like my style. I think you guys probably know that because you've been following me for a while now, or you can just kind of tell. With that respect, I definitely think that all of the tones in here are really well thought out. It's just a beautiful product as well. So there isn't really anything I tried that I didn't like. Drop a comment and let me know if there's anything from the new holiday launch that you want me to grab so I can demo that and like review that for you guys as well. And yeah, let me know if there's any questions you have as well. Everything I will list in the description box below per usual. And I think that pretty much wraps us up here, guys. Do me a favor, and if you're not already, please be sure and subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And other than that, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!